Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft PowerPoint.
How to insert your live camera feed with Cameo in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now available in Microsoft PowerPoint is that we can insert our live camera feed directly into our PowerPoint slide with the help of Cameo. The procedure is very simple, and once done, the Cameo Format tab will appear where we can apply the same effects to it as we could to our pictures or any other objects. The same stands for transition, styles and formatting. This feature is available only to Microsoft 365 subscribers for the desktop application. I have opened a PowerPoint presentation where I want to add my live camera feed into the second slide. We must activate the slide and then activate the Insert tab of the ribbon. Once the Insert tab is activated, we locate the area of the ribbon named Camera and hover over the command Cameo where we can. Insert Cameo. Add your camera feed directly into your slides. Once the Insert Cameo command is selected, the drop-down menu appears where we can select to insert our camera feed directly to this slide or to all slides. The Camera Format tab gets activated, and at the bottom right corner of the slide, our camera feed appears. After a few seconds, the camera feed starts displaying our live camera feed. We just keep on presenting our presentation as we normally do. With the Camera Format tab, we can do some fine-tuning on our camera feed. The Camera Format tab is separated by the following areas with the following commands. Camera area. Preview command where we select webcam. Camera styles area. We can select a different style for our camera. We can then use the command apply to all styles. We can change the camera shape, camera border, and apply camera effects. Accessibility area. We can insert alt text on the camera feed. Arrange area. We can use the commands bring forward, bring backward, activate the selection pane, align, group, and rotate the camera feed. Size area. We can crop the camera feed and change the height and width of it. The procedure is quite simple to use. We just select the command and it will be applied on the camera feed. We can turn the camera preview on or off, or we can change the camera source in the slideshow view. With a simple click, we have a personalized Cameo style either on one slide or all our slides in our PowerPoint presentation.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.
Be wise and subscribe.